Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can lock objects like charts or visuals in Power BI so you don't accidentally move them or mess up your carefully crafted reports. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident knowing your report layout is protected, even if you're clicking and dragging around to make edits. Let's dive right in so you can get those visuals locked down in just a couple of minutes. So let's start by opening up Power BI. If you've got your report already loaded and ready, great. If not, go ahead and launch it now. For this walkthrough, let's say we're working with a sample waterfall chart, but this will work with any visual element you have, whether it's a simple card, a slicer, or even a complicated matrix. Now, with your report open and your visuals in front of you, we want to make sure that the layout doesn't get jumbled while you're working. You know how easy it is to accidentally drag a chart just a few pixels away from where you really want it to be. Sometimes you don't even notice until you're previewing the final report. That's why it's so useful to lock those objects in place. It keeps everything tidy and exactly where you left it. Alright, here how you do it. Look along the top ribbon of Power BI. You'll notice there are several tabs here like Home, Insert, and Modeling. What we want is the View tab, so go ahead and click on that. The View tab is packed with features specifically designed to help you manage what you see and how you interact with those visuals while you're building your report. Once you're in the View tab, take a second to look across the options. Somewhere near the top, you should see an option labeled Lock Objects. Depending on your version of Power BI, it might have a little padlock icon next to it to make it even easier to recognize. All you need to do here is put a checkmark in that Lock Objects box. Just one click and you've enabled the lock. Give yourself a moment to make sure it's checked. You should see a little tick in the box, and that's how you know it's active. So what does this actually do for you? With that lock enabled, if you try grabbing one of your charts or visuals and dragging it around, nothing will happen. Power BI now ignores any attempt to move or reposition those objects in the report view. This means you can freely select visuals to update formatting, play with filters, or interact with your data without ever worrying that you'll accidentally nudge them out of place. It's like putting a protective shell around your hard work. And honestly, that's all there is to it. From this point forward, as long as Lock Objects is checked, your visuals are safe and sound. If you ever need to rearrange something later, just uncheck the box, make your changes, and lock them again. So if you find yourself constantly thinking, I wish I could keep this design from shifting around, this feature is going to make your report building life so much easier. Hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Power BI or other reporting tools, go ahead and drop them in the comments. I love hearing what you're working on. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any new tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.